What's up? All right, this video is like about 2 hours after the last video I just made saying I was going to put the cluster in. Got it in. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, give you a little update on it. I'm surprised on how easy it was. It was a little bit more difficult for me because most people use the 0405 STI cluster to swap into the bug eyes, and I had an 06, so the plug was a little different. I had to do some extra filing of one of the plugs to get it to fit in, but I'll show you here real quick. Let me turn the camera around. So it's dark in here, but that's kind of a good thing because you'll see the difference more. Boom. Those rings aren't stock on a bug eye. Ready? Oh yeah, I would fire it up, but I have my cat back off, and it's just at the downpipe right now, and it's almost 10 at night, and I don't want to piss my neighbors off, so we'll wait on the startup. But everything works. You could see the fuel's working. Obviously, I haven't started it, so the temp's working. You saw the intro sweep at the beginning that the gauges do, so those are functioning. I had to put tape over the diff temp light and the ABS light because those would stay on, so that's fine. But everything else, it should be working perfectly. And I can do a video how-to on this of me explaining what exactly needs to happen for the 06, 07 clusters into an 02, 03 bug eye WRX, because I didn't see very many write-ups. Everyone says it's the same 05 to 07, but it isn't. The 06, 07 has one plug that needs to be filed down in different spots and filed down more than the 05. So yeah, it's not much more difficult than doing the 04, 05 STI cluster into an 02, 03, but it is different. So if anyone wants me to do a how-to on that, or just at least explain it in another video, I can do that. But just wanted to show you guys an update. It makes a huge difference. I highly recommend doing this. The clusters you can get for I got mine for 230 bucks. You might be able to find a better deal, but that was the best one I could find at the time. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update on that because I know I said in my last video I was going to put it in, and that was about 2 hours ago. It took me about an hour start to finish, just being careful. There are wires you have to cut, so I just wanted to triple check that I was cutting the right ones. But other than that, yeah, you don't have to be very mechanically inclined. Just have a stubby screwdriver. Here we go. I'm explaining the whole thing. So if you want me to make the explanation video / how-to, just let me know and I'll go ahead and do it. I can also respond to comments and just write up some directions. It's super easy. So if you've been thinking about doing it but you're hesitant because you don't think you can, you can. So yeah, I can help you out if you need it. Just let me know. All right, see you guys in the next one.